Hello everyone. Today we learn about paraphrasing and inferences, key reading and critical thinking skills in English. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means expressing the same idea using different words while keeping the original meaning, demonstrate understanding of a text, prevent plagiarism in academic writing, helps summarize complex information in simple language. And what are inferences? Making inferences mean reaching a conclusion using information from the text plus your own reasoning. Helps readers understand ideas that are not explicit states, support critical thinking and deeper comprehension, and useful in exam reports and real-world reading situations. The practical activity in paraphrasing is the original sentence is technology is transforming the way we communicate. And using paraphrasing, the phrase is modern tools are changing how people interact with each others. And in inferences, the principal idea is the original idea is Mary turning off the lights, locked the door, and grabbed her backpack. The inference is she is probably leaving the building. As you see in the true inference examples and in paraphrasing examples, you need to change in paraphrasing the idea, the words, but not the idea, sorry. And in inference, you can take the idea, but in your own reasoning. So thank you so much for your attention and remember to practice inferences, paraphrasing, and also the two principal topics that we have in the first video that it's scanning and skinning. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you later.